Hey everyone, welcome to Old Iron Garage. Thank you for tuning in. So this evening, I'm just going to do a real quick video. It's a repair video. This evening, I'm going to show you guys how to repair an electric chainsaw. That's right. Easiest repair to do, works every time. Doesn't matter make or model. So anyways, got my electric chainsaw here. This was a part of the deal where I got multiple chainsaws and weed eaters last week for $15. Yeah, so let's fix it. Almost finished. Almost repaired. One more whack, I think. Put it over there where you can see it. No, needs another one. Let's give it another one. I think she's fixed. Pretty easy repair, guys. Once you know what you're doing. Complete. Repair completed. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope that you found this repair tip helpful, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.